This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. The update on the gold market will be really light compared to the discussion of the Japanese yen that we have prepared today. And if you remember, the major idea on the gold market was shy downward continuation in the nearest perspective, the beginning of the current week, because as was said, the major target, the weekly nearest target on the gold market stands around 1236, and the market is still stands underway to it. So you can see, although today and tomorrow market hasn't updated the new bottom, stands here, but the target this year 1236 hasn't been reached yet. And this tells us that probably market should show another leg down before any at least meaningful some retracement will happen. That's why currently when market stands just a few bucks above the significant target on the weekly chart, I do not want to take any long position here. And hourly chart shows how it could be, how market could reach this area. It's just one of our suggestions. Maybe market will reach some other way, but currently it seems that this scenario is really possible. So you can see that market is forming some sort of the pennant, or you could call it as the triangle on the hourly time frame chart. That's the continuation pattern in general. Also take a look, guys, at the bearish dynamic pressure, because you can see that the MACD indicator shows upward trend while market stands flat. It's moving in no direction, so just sideways action. It suggests the taking out of these lows. At the same time, here we have the possible butterfly buy pattern. The 127 extension stands at approximately around 1238. The 1618 stands precisely at 1235. So by this butterfly and this triangle, market probably will hit the weekly target. And the second stage of our weekly trading plan, recall that we have discussed it, then we should be waiting for and watching for possible retracement up. That will let us to take the short position on the gold market. That's our major idea. So as you can see, it's really difficult to add something significant to our previous analysis, because market hasn't even completed our first step, hasn't quite reached the 1236 area. So today, guys, we probably will be watching for this, and after that we will decide what to do. Maybe we will try to take the scalp long position, this retracement. Maybe we will do nothing but wait when the market will show this bounce, and we'll try to take the short after that. So we will see. But right now, just keep an eye on the possible downward continuation. Be aware of taking any positions here, because if you would like to take the long position, you should place stop somewhere below the target of the weekly time frame chart, below the 1236. That's really not small area. At the same time, to take in the short position right above the significant target has the limit potential, and it's not very attractive. That's why right now I don't see much to do on the gold market. Only if you trade on the 15-minute charts, on the hourly chart, you could try to deal with this butterfly if you trade the harmonic patterns. But that's mostly the scalp trade. And we usually discuss the daily analysis. So from the daily perspective, it's better to wait when hitting of the 1236 area, and after that wait for the possible retracement that could be the opportunity for taking the short position here.